All right, guys. So before I get to that right there, I'm just gonna apologize ahead of time. Um, Builds are just kind of jumping all over the place. Like, it's not like set like, all right, I'm working on this until it's done. It's like, okay, I'm gonna work on this, then go to this, then forget about that and not have time for that or not want to do that and keep on doing this and then things just kind of get forgotten about, like kind of like the scrambler right now. Like I should really get the plastics down for that so that it's done. And same with the boat motors, those aren't running. But this right here, this just showed up like out of nowhere. Like it was just like that minute type of thing. So guys, here is the old truck back. So what had happened was 2 months ago, I traded this thing to a family friend for his two cat eye trucks and $1,500. And he took this on vacation with us. And up until now, he put probably like 3,000 miles on it. Well, the motor started knocking. And I was like, I want to buy it back. I want to have that truck back again. And we worked out a deal. Gave him his good cat eye back and $1,000, and I have it back. So, guys, you guys remember seeing my blue truck? It was probably a short video because I didn't show much of it. And yeah, my maroon truck, nothing special there. But the blue truck, that was a lot cleaner than the red truck. Well, this thing, I live up north. This thing is clean. Body is really rough. Really rough. It's going to take a lot of work. There's a lot of holes and like outer dent, all those holes. But like, I'm not too worried about this as long as I can get it flat and like weld them smooth or whatever. And then, bed liner type stuff. Try and fill it and make it look good again. I mean, that's not so bad, but for the trim, that's going to suck because that's a hole in the door now right there. I remember him saying actually just a little while ago that something was leaking. Like the floor of the cab on the passenger side right over there was wet. So something was leaking inside. But I don't know, I'll figure that out. But guys, this is back and it's going to stay. This thing is going to get built. I got a lot of plans in mind for this. And I don't know, I might... Oh, geez. Wonder what happened there. Better go check my other truck. But anyways, so what I was going to do is first off, I am going to take the valve, or the valve cover off right here. And take a look at the rockers and make sure that those aren't knocking. And here, let me import a clip that I got on my phone. At least I hope I got it. So if I do, you guys will see that now. She don't sound too happy. And so that's why I got to figure out what's doing that. And I'm going to start with the rockers and make sure that they didn't get loosened up. Because this was the side that I did have apart. And the check engine light is on, but it's for a random misfire. And I looked at the misfires and it's like, there's like hardly a misfire. It's just knocking. So let me just tear right into this thing. All right, guys. So I pulled the coil pack off right here. I just got it tucked behind the battery. That was this plastic thing that cracked. But I got the valve cover off. And there are the rocker arms. You can see right there. And I wiggled them all to see if I could find a loose one. And I found our culprit right here. If you guys remember, this one right here. Wait, here, let's move this. That one right there. That's the one that had a stuck lifter. I put that lifter in. And now look at the rocker arm. You guys hear that? That's really loose. This one doesn't move at all. You can go side to side. Sorry, it's really hard to record this and show it all. But here, let's see if I can't. So you guys can see here. See that? So that's definitely the rod knock, which is actually just the lifter. But it sounds just like a rod knock, like it's rattling and all that, but you can see how much play this has. You see right there? Yeah, you guys can clearly see that. This is how it's supposed to be. Like, I can't even lift it up. A little bit side to side. This one is all loose. That is where I gotta start. And just go from there. And that might be causing the whole issue right there, the rattle. So I'll just have to see what I can do about that, see if I can get a rocker arm, or if I just gotta do, I don't know if there's a fix. But I'm gonna start there, and then I'll let you guys know what I end up doing.